everybody. Today I have a MRE, which is a rib-shaped barbecue flavored pork patty. And I will be opening, testing, and tasting for all of you. So let's get right to it. Now, just to start off, I want to say that these are peelable at the top, but they are kind of hard to open, so I'm using a knife. Now, when you open it, it all comes in this, nicely packaged. Cut it open, and this is how all your food is going to be. Now, this is a barbecue pork patty. This is what you'll hold your heat pad in. This is your Santa Fe rice and beans. Sounds good. This is where you have your napkins, flavoring, gum, and whatever else is in there. This is where you have your peanut butter, which comes with a cracker. This is a Sterling food cracker, barbecue sauce, and a cocoa beverage powder, caramel apple ranger bar, blackberry jam, comes with a spoon, just ingredients, and this is the real heat pad where you will put in your food. Now, what you have to do is you have to open the meal ready to eat pad, put in the